this is Kilipo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang Ash-Dress compilation. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Ano to? Ay! Bago ba to? Hoy! Oh my God! Bago ba to? Wait. Ngayon ko lang ito napanood. Wait lang, Atake, kailan to? Ito ba yung may bebe sila? Bebe! Ito ba yun? I think so. When man's in love, I say more than a words. I couldn't agree more. Yan yung nakikita ko talaga sa kanila actually. Na hindi ko nakita sa Ashbin. I have to be frank with you guys. The way Andres look at, what do you call this? The Ashtin? Ganon. Yan yung ano talaga, nakita ko sa, yung hindi ko nakita sa Ashbin, na nakita ko siya as dress. Ay.
Robin or Andres?
Ay.
Siyempre po yung team ko po, si Robin po. Kasi si Andres para kay Ashton.
Hinilig din sila. No? Ano na naman to? Oh my God, ang buff ni Andres pala, no? Oh my God.
I will
I'll clear things between us now. Stop thinking that I might still love someone else.
Ay! No.
And start thinking.
Sorry. What is this? Oh my God! Is this in? Apparently the first thing Andres noticed was the shirt he said. Ash dress. I love it. Cute. This is so cute. Bakit nahiya si, wait lang, tapos nang bumaba si Press Aga, please nakita niya agad ako sa bayakap, tapos nagulat din si Andres. At alam niyo yun, sinabi niya, ang ganda naman ng t-shirt mo, bago pa sinabi, agad napansin niya yun, sobrang pogi, liit ng mukha, Ashtin, prayer reveal po. Maliit ang mukha ni Andres, totoo ba? Yes. Ang gwapo naman ni Andres. Man, thanks a lot. Always listen. Ganito si David Licauco. kay even Alden Richards, even Donnie Pangilinan. Pag nagsasalita yung girl, ganyan na ganyan yung tingin. Kaya nakitaan ko talaga sila ng something. Naniniwala ako na meron. Tuwing na. Tsaka iba yung smile ni Andres pagkasama yung smile niya minsan, may smile siya na malokong smile at may smile siya na seryosong smile na parang demure, na parang behave, na nagpapakitang gila sa isang babaeng nagugustuhan niya. Parang ganun yung vibe. Marami siyang types of smile. Ay, they match even they're apart. Ay, taray. Black and white. Di mo kaya, black and white. Bumalik na pala si Andres sa Spain. Nag-aaral pa ba si Andres sa Spain? Bakit siya bumalik? Jesus. Okay. What's next? What's next? Nalaman mo na Singapore si Kuya Andres. Ay, nasa SG siya. Ay, wait. One woman, one cry. Patingin. One woman, man no cry. Okay, 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 okay. Ay, ang pahinga nila for today's video. Okay, what's next? Ang ganda na. Kasi si Andres di ba siya, prim and proper siya, di ba? Pero parang napaka-carefree niya pagkasama niya si Ashley. Ay,
Have you ever just look at someone and say,
indeed.
so this is what love looks like?
Exactly. This is love. Ay, atake. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Ash Dress compilation. This is KJ Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.